In this video we study second type of muscles, skeletal muscles or voluntary muscles or striated muscle. First of all we observe its diagram so that you can get idea regarding structure. Here you can get bundles meaning fasciculi. Number of bundles are present in a group covered by a layer epimysium or fascia. So that is a group of bundle. Here we observe single fasciculus. Fasciculi many, fasciculus single. So each fasciculus it is covered by perimysium. Peri meaning outer covering, and consists of number of vertically placed parallel myofibrils. So number of myofibril, भरपूर धाग्यासारखे दिसणारे थे myofibril, they together form fasciculus. Then here it is a structure of single muscle fiber. It is a single muscle fiber. Muscle fiber, it is elongated unbranched structure covered by sarcolemma, encloses cytoplasm, sarcoplasm. It shows presence of horizontal bands, that is striations. And as striations are present, these are striated muscle. How are these striations? They are present in the form of alternate bands, as light band, then come dark band, again light band, dark band. So light and dark bands are present in alternate fashion, forming transverse bands or striation. Then here nuclei are many, multinuclear structure is there, and they are present towards periphery of muscle fiber. Have you got structure of single muscle fiber? So here these are number of myofibrils that form single muscle fiber. Then structural and functional unit of muscle fiber is sarcomere. What is this sarcomere? Let's come to study. So here it is a single myofibril. This structure represents single myofibril, characterized by presence of light band, dark band, light band present in alternate fashion. Now concentrate only on dark band. It is a dark band which is opaque, characterized by transparent edge line. Dark band is also known as A band or anisotropic band. So what is dark band? It is a opaque band, also known by term A band, characterized by Hinsen zone or Hinsen line, which is light band, which is transparent region. While light band, here it is a light band. Light band at its center show Z line. It is a Z line which is opaque. So here conditions are just opposite. डार्क बँडमध्ये असलेली लाईट कलरची लाईन तिला म्हणायचं एच लाईन, आणि याच्या उलट लाईट बँडमध्ये असलेली डार्क लाईन त्याला म्हणायचं झेड लाईन. लाईट बँड इज ऑल्सो नोन बाय टर्म आय बँड, आयसोट्रॉपिक बँड. So these are alternative names of light band as I band and dark band or A band. Now what is this sarcomere? Concentrate on these adjacent light bands having a dark line, that is Z line. So distance between adjacent Z line, दोन Z लाईनच्या मध्ये असलेलं distance, we call it as sarcomere. So many such sarcomeres, they are placed end to end forming myofibril, and hence sarcomere is structural and functional unit of myofibril. That is regarding structure. You have to draw all diagrams. First of all, here it is a diagram of what we call fasciculi in a group. Then individual fasciculus. It is individual fasciculus. Can you observe? Individual fasciculus. Then here it is single muscle fiber. Observe, concentrate only on this single muscle fiber. You have to draw a structure of single muscle fiber, and here it is a structure of structural and functional unit, what we call sarcomere. In your book they have also given diagram, but as usual I have drawn simple diagrams. Let's study skeletal muscle. As name indicates skeletal, they remain attached to the skeleton, or they are voluntary muscle. They work according to our will and hence voluntary muscle. Or just we have seen they show presence of alternate light and dark band present in the form of striation and hence called striated muscle. What are their characters? First one, these muscles remain attached to bones or skeleton and hence the name skeletal muscle. Then skeletal muscle consists of large number of fasciculi, fasciculi meaning bundles, which are wrapped, which are covered by connective tissue sheath called epimysium or fascia. बंडलचं आउटर कव्हरिंग आहे याला म्हणायचं इपिमायसियम और फॅसिया. Each individual fasciculus is covered by perimysium. पाहिलंय आपण डायग्राममध्ये. Each fasciculus consists of many muscle fibers called myofibrils. Then each muscle fiber or myofibril is syncytial. Syncytial meaning nuclei are many and they are scattered. Syncytial fiber that contain several nuclei, that is multinucleate condition. Cell membrane is called sarcolemma, which delimits cytoplasm called sarcoplasm. Sarcoplasm has large number of myofibrils arranged in a parallel fashion. So myofibrils are parallel to each other. Due to parallel arrangement of myofibrils, nuclei get shifted towards periphery. Each myofibril is made up of functional and structural unit called sarcomere. So we have seen all these diagrams previously. Now what is that sarcomere? So each sarcomere has dark band called anisotropic band or A band. In the center of A band is light area called H zone or Hansen line, Hansen zone. डार्क बँडच्या मध्यभागी असलेली लाईट एरिया तिला म्हणायचं एच झोन किंवा हॅन्सेन झोन. इन द सेंटर ऑफ एच झोन देअर इज ए एम लाईन. एम लाईन मी ड्रॉ केलेली नाही आहे, तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवायची आहे. एच झोनच्या सेंटरला आणखी एक लाईन असते, तिचं नाव एम लाईन. ए बँड इज मेड अप ऑफ मायोसिन. मायोसिन इज अ टाईप ऑफ प्रोटीन as well as actin. So A band, anisotropic band consists of both types of proteins, myosin and actin. So how to remind it? Dark band, it is known by term A band, having light area, H zone. आणि H zone मध्ये असलेली आणखी एक लाईन तिला म्हणायचं M लाईन. हा मुद्दा मी सिक्वेन्स इथे लक्षात ठेवण्यासाठी वेगळा करून दाखवलेला आहे. शॉर्ट फॉर ऑन आयदर साइड ऑफ डार्क बँड or A band is present light band, also known by term isotropic band or I band. So clear, which is another name for light band or I band or isotropic band. I band contains only protein actin. आय बँड कशाचा बनलेला आहे? फक्त ॲक्टिन या प्रोटीनचा. याच्या उलट आपण आधी पाहिलं आहे ए बँड इज मेड अप ऑफ बोथ प्रोटीन्स मायोसिन ॲज वेल ॲज ॲक्टिन. दॅट इज अ डिफरन्स रिगार्डिंग contents of dark band and light band. So myosin filaments are thick, dark colored, while actin filaments are thin and light colored. That is a basic difference between two proteins, myosin and actin. Myosin filament कशी आहे? थिक, डार्क कलर्ड, आणि ॲक्टिन प्रोटीन्स आहेत ही दे आर थिन अँड लाईट कलर्ड. देन adjacent light bands are separated by Z line. So dark and light bands present on neighboring filaments correspond to each other, and hence muscle get banded or striated appearance. लाईट बँड डार्क बँड अल्टरनेट फॅशनमध्ये आहेत, एक आड एक आहेत, एकानंतर दुसरा बँड आहे, आणि म्हणून बँडेड स्ट्रक्चर दिसतं, स्ट्रायटेड स्ट्रक्चर. सो स्केलेटल मसल्स, व्हॉट इज देअर रोल? स्केलेटल मसल्स शो वीक अँड स्ट्रॉंग व्हॉलंटरी कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन, हेन्स अंडरगो फटीग. फटीग मिनिंग थकणे. यांचं कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन रिलॅक्सेशन पटापट असतं, आणि म्हणून या ज्या स्केलेटल मसल आहेत ह्या लवकर दमतात. आपण अनुभवतो की खूप आपण फास्ट चाललो, पटापट चाललो, खूप वेळ चाललो तर काय होतं? पाय दुखू लागतात किंवा पायाच्या मसल दुखतात. का बरं? दीज आर स्केलेटल मसल्स विच अंडरगो फटीग. दे ब्रिंग अबाउट व्हॉलंटरी मुवमेंट्स ऑफ बॉडी. व्हॉट इज रोल ऑफ स्केलेटल मसल? दे वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू अवर विल. आपल्या इच्छेप्रमाणे सगळी कामं कोण करत असतात? स्केलेटल मसल. So that is regarding second type of muscular tissue, skeletal muscle or voluntary muscle or striated muscle. ही नावं का आहेत हे कळली तुम्हाला? स्केलेटल मसल का म्हणायचं? स्केलेटनला म्हणजे बोनला अटॅच असतात. त्यानंतर व्हॉलंटरी का? तर आपल्या इच्छेप्रमाणे ह्यांचे ॲक्शन होतात. आणि स्ट्रायटेड का? दे शो प्रेझेन्स ऑफ अल्टरनेट लाईट अँड डार्क बँड. सो दॅट इज रिगार्डिंग skeletal muscles. Okay.